your dinner. Snacks. You've been drinking lots of water too. I have to let this run for a minute. Toe breath. Alright. Okay. Time for some meds for my little feral, ferocious little princess. How are you this morning? I mean evening. Hi. You're so beautiful. You're very beautiful. Did I take a picture of your eyeballs? I don't think I did. Ooh, I better go get the camera. Hello, sweetie pie. How are you doing today? Oh, she is so cute. That's an interesting lighting in there, huh? You have a little thing on your chin there. You're so cute. So, let's see. Let's see. Do you have some snuggles? You're so cute. You're so cute. Look at this ferocious sparrow. He's so ferocious. Look what I have for you, though. Look, I know you like this. Your nose running. Why is your nose running? Is your nose running? There you go. Oh no, you took it, but then you dropped it. Here we go. Good girl. She's so delicate. Such a delicate flower. But a nutritious one. Down's nutritious. See, I tricked you. I'm gonna trick you again. Good girl. Getting your lysine and your probiotics and your calcium and your taurine, all of your mummy nutrients, your prenatal vitamins, all packed in this kibble. She's so cute. So cute. Oh, she's very excited about her snacks. Who's next? Here, you have to come forward now. We're gonna do a little, let's see if we can get her to come out a little bit. Good girl. Oh, look how long your neck can stretch. Yo. Come on. Come on. You're so cute. You're very cute. Now look. How about blue blanket? Are you gonna be nervous if I put blue blanket in there with you? We've done this many times now and you're so good at it. It's really just to cover your head so you don't get so nervous. Yeah, just to cover your head. Make you feel safe. You know the drill by now. See, it's nice, really. Where are you going? It's so nice. You have some treats while you have blue blanket on. Don't drop it. See? You might get to meet your new friend Gwen tomorrow. Wouldn't that be nice? You have 2 friends come visit you? Is it ointment and snuggle time now? I'm gonna have to move this for a second so that I can do this. Let's do a little cover of your face. Look, you didn't even have your face covered. Oh, there, you're stuck. Oh, where you go? Oh, no, it's okay. Hi. Oh, you're okay. Are you? Oh, panic. Oh, gotcha. I gotcha. She did pretty well, but she still gets nervous if she's not covered up. And since I've got a job to do, then I have to make her comfortable enough for me to get the meds in. Right, little mama? Future mama? Oh, it's got some fluff on it. There, we don't want fluff near your eye. Perfect. This is a very awkward angle. Let's see if we can get it at a slightly more comfortable angle. Yeah, okay. We need a little gravity assist. Good girl. Oh, good girl. That was a direct hit. Make sure we get that one in good. Excellent. What a brave and talented kitten. Sable has become very fierce lately. Very fierce. Yes, not like you. You are very sweet until you have your babies, and then you'll be fierce like Mommy Sable. You can't go out there. It's good to know you can see that, though. Oh, don't panic. Don't panic. We have to have snuggles. Let's see now. I don't think I can see what's going on. This computer has been crashing a bit. I'm not exactly sure why. Oh, purrs? Do we have some purrs? I'm not sure when Gwen's coming. Sometime in the afternoon, I think. So we may do after. I may bring her along for afternoon meds. I think it would be nice for Sable to have another human to get to know. And it would be nice for me to be able to have someone else that can take a med shift if needed. Since we're going to be having kittens soon. You're so sweet and brave. Sweet and brave. You will love your new friend Gwen. Oh, I should do this. There we go. Oh yeah, I meant Skye. I don't know what I said. I was thinking about Sable being ferocious with me. She's been guarding the nest and coming out and saying, you are not coming in here right now. So I'm trying not to push her too much, but it would be nice to give Barty some. I did give him some eye ointment today. It wouldn't hurt to do another round, but it's not the end of the world if I don't. She's pretty fierce though. Pretty fierce. And she's not intimidated at all when I go in. Her pupils are small as can be. She's not at all intimidated by me. I try to let her win so that she doesn't feel unsafe. You hear the purrs? Such adorable purrs. I think Sable and I have a healthy respect for each other. I don't think she thinks I'm scared of her. Savina has been pretty restless, a little bit nesty, digging around. You've seen she keeps digging her blanket hole deeper and deeper. Oh look, that camera did not come back on anyway. Look how cute she is though. Alright, so anyway. Look at that. Is that not the cutest little sort of formerly feral, thinking about being formerly feral, adorable? She's so cute. I'm gonna take another picture and then I'm gonna go because she's too cute. Adorable. Can you look at the camera? Do you remember how... Well, we haven't really had to talk about working our angles yet. Oops. That will come. It will come. Okay. Alright. Good night, everybody. I'm going to see if I can get in and do any eye ointment on Barty, but if not, I'll do it tomorrow. No big deal. I think that's about it. So, good night. Hopefully the stream won't crash. Noise on the way out.